I see him.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
Where's he going?
He's back up in that same spot I saw him the last time. Blow it again.
Okay.
You're getting his attention.
Okay. Don't. You're loud, Brittany.
I'm sorry. He's like, I don't know if he's just readjusted himself under that tree or.
See him? Yeah. Okay, just hold on. You got a good shot?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Keep it on so you see where it hits. Hold on. Take a deep breath, finger off the trigger. If he hits it open, you want me to call?
If he's just moseying, no. Because he'll stop. He doesn't seem to